Hey guys, this is Danielle here with the Appleton Byrider. I want to hop on real quick and just let you know that right now is the best time to trade in your vehicle. Fall is coming soon and so is winter, and having a vehicle with a heater, right now it's still summer, so air conditioning, something that's winter safe is amazing. And we take vehicles that don't run, that have problems. We're willing to pick them up from you so that way you don't have to physically bring them here in store. So you're trading in something that you're no longer wanting to use, and you're getting something that's efficient, something that you're going to love. There is great opportunity in trading in your vehicle, so please do give us a call. Let us know what you got, and we're willing to get you into a newer vehicle. The phone number here is 920-749-7979, and our location is 2301 West College Avenue in Appleton, Wisconsin, 54914. See you soon. Bye.